The Downtown Grand is a boutique-style hotel and casino and is the centerpiece of the Downtown Third Entertainment District located in beautiful downtown Las Vegas. Thank you for clicking and dropping in. I'm so glad you're here joining me for this video. The Downtown Grand is located on 3rd and Ogden Street and is just steps away from the Fremont Street Experience and the Mob Museum, the National Museum of Organized Crime and Law Enforcement. I have stayed at this property once before, way back when it was known as the Lady Luck. Oh my goodness, that seems like it was so long ago and far away.
May the force be with you.
Downtown Grand has a relaxed, classy, artsy vibe and less of the hustle and bustle of other downtown casinos. The casino is small, but it offers $1 blackjack and $5 craps. The lowest table limits in Las Vegas. This is a great place to learn table games or just sharpen your skills for cheap. Here's the new Caesars Sportsbook at Downtown Grand. If you sign up for the player's card, you could win anywhere from $5,000 to $1,000 in free play. And once you accumulate 25 points on the player's card, you will be eligible for a discounted meal at Freedom Beat. And every classy casino floor needs a center bar. Here's Furnace, the place to go for handcrafted cocktails made with tender loving care. And here is no doubt the best cheap eats and drinks in Las Vegas. A beer and hot dog for $2. Yes, for $2 cash only, you get a Nathan's hot dog and a 12-ounce Pabst Blue Ribbon draft. Okay, probably not the best cheap drinks in Las Vegas. This offer is available from 11 a.m. until 6 p.m. Located just off the lobby, Art Bar features an exhibit of works by local artists, set in a vibrant, comfy seating area. This morning spot offers handcrafted coffee, drinks, and continental breakfast. And here is Freedom Beat Restaurant and Bar. Freedom Beat offers American family-style comfort food with large portions and hearty side dishes and breakfast anytime. At the time of this recording, the main dining option was closed and your options for ordering was eating at the bar or taking an order to go. I ordered a Philly cheesesteak from Freedom Beat with a side of fries to go. The cheesesteak and order of fries were humongous. The thinly sliced rib steak was delicious, and the way the whole Philly cheesesteak was put together was wonderful. The bread was slightly under par for a cheesesteak, but overall the sandwich was great. And right across the street from the casino, there is Pizza Rock, Sidebar, Triple George Steakhouse, Hogs and Heifer Saloon, and coming soon, Hot and Juicy Crawfish. The rooftop pool area at Downtown Grand is called Citrus, and it's located directly above the casino floor. When it's warm outside, the pool area is open from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. daily. To access the pool area, your key card is required to unlock the door. The Citrus Grand pool deck measures up at over 35,000 square feet and overlooks the downtown Las Vegas skyline. Day beds and cabanas are available. They also have lawn games, a fire pit, and a stage area. In the evening hours, Citrus Pool area hosts pool parties and live events. The Citrus Pool Deck Bar offers coffee, drinks, quick bites, and adult beverages. My check-in experience at Downtown Grand was very good. There was no long line, it was quick and painless. I arrived a couple of hours early and my room was ready to go.
Your love gets me high. Your love gets me high. Your love gets me high. Yeah, your love gets me high. Your love gets me high. Gets me high, high, high. Yeah, your love gets me high. Your love gets me high.
Oh, the Downtown Grand has a very large fitness center. It's located on the second floor. It's open 24 hours.
Your love gets me high. Gets me high.
On this visit, I'm staying in a room on the 11th floor of the Grand Tower. The Grand Tower is located across 3rd Street. There is a walkway to get to the elevator bank. This tower was constructed in 1986 and it's the same one I stayed in so long ago. This room is the Grand Deluxe King non-smoking room. It measures up at 350 square feet and is the cheapest room at Downtown Grand. And I've got to say, for the price point, this is a very bright, clean, nice room. And the use of the 350 square feet is very efficient. It feels very roomy in here, but not barren. The bedside comes with a power outlet on the lamp, a digital clock, and a Bluetooth speaker. And there is a little closet space with a safe urn and ironing board. There is also a workspace with 2 complimentary bottles of water, an ice bucket, power and connecting ports are located on the side. At check-in, they give you some papers with some gambling coupons attached, and there is some pool party information, some promotional information, and general hotel information. Oh yeah, and just so you know, the ice machines in the Grand Tower are located on every third floor, so there was not an ice machine on my floor. And these rooms are non-smoking rooms, so there is a $300.50 fine if you do any of this stuff in the room. There is also a large vintage-looking dressing mirror mounted to the corner of the room. The carpeting was clean and in good condition. There is a decent amount of window space. This room had a western exposure. From here I could see the video screen at Stadium Swim at Circa and the rooftop pool at Binion's. The bathroom was small, there was a moderate amount of counter space, and only 2 sets of towels. However, it was a clean bathroom and everything functioned properly. It did get the job done. And now a few final thoughts on my stay in the cheapest room at the Downtown Grand. The room is a very good value for the price point. The location is very close to all the action of Fremont Street, but far away enough to sleep at night. And overall, the entire property seems slow and not very busy. I never saw a lot of people in the restaurants, the casino, the hotel, the pool, but the ones that were there seemed very happy. And the staffing was very tight as well, but the service was overall very good. So for me, the bottom line for Downtown Grand is great price, nice quiet room, great pool, not a lot of bells and whistles. And that works for me. And while you're still here, I would like to thank you for watching. You can show and help support this content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more Las Vegas content. Hit the center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.